Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom emoji in your Telegram. So it could be um, fun ways to have some conversation with your friends in a group. It can spice up your conversation, and yeah, it's a fun way to have your own custom emoji. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. And first thing first, let's tap into the app itself and it will lead you to the chat page. All you have to do is go to the contacts, which is at the left bottom corner, and let's go to the search bar and let's type in stickers, and let's type in this one that is verified, and let's tap start. And there's a long message, so all you have to do is make a set of new emoji. Let's tap in this one, and it's asking whether you wanna make animated emoji, video emoji, or static emoji. So let's tap on static, and it says let's tap in this adaptive and tap in flamingo, and all you have to do is send the picture. Actually, you have to send the image file that should be in PNG, and this sticker bot will create a custom emoji for you. But one thing is that in order to have access to this custom emoji, you have to have subscription of the Telegram Premium. So yeah, this is how you create the custom emoji. And if you need full access, like if you want this custom emoji, you want to share this custom emoji, then you have to have a premium account on Telegram. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section down below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.